Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flicker Brain. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 major tips to increase your odds while working with Adsense Arbitrage method. Now, pay attention because these are really what is working, okay? Now, normally, let me refresh this dashboard first. Normally, I work with 3 different ad network for my arbitrage traffic source. I normally work with Taboola ad, I normally work with Pinterest ad, I normally work with TikTok too. And each of these ad networks I work with have their own purposes. Like for Taboola ads, I use it to stable the intent-based traffic with controlled CPC. Which what I mean is I use that ad network to stable my CPC. Now you can see that this CPC is high. The major reason of this CPC being high is because of that Taboola ad. There's a particular way I make use of that Taboola ad to increase my CPC. Now for Pinterest, Pinterest is just like a source of organic traffic for me. Okay, once I set up Pinterest, this ad and everything, it's like a source of organic traffic to drive traffic to my site naturally. Now for TikTok, I use TikTok to increase the number of people visiting the site. TikTok is just like source of volume, large number of traffic coming into the site. So with these 3 different ad network, I can really control the CPC of my site, the CTR of my site, and also control the RPM. As you can even see here that the RPM of this site is very high. You can even see that with this site, you can see what we have already generated this month, and you can see what we have generated. This is the balance. So if you have been following my video on this channel, you see what we were working on last month, and this is last month balance. Though I think we had a little bit deduction. So I think we had a little bit deduction. You can see over here that it was $21,835, but we had a deduction. So what's on the balance now is 21,546. Okay, so this method is not that it's something that works now. It has been working. This is a system I'll be using to generate traffic to my site and make proper money with this site. Now this site don't have any loading. There's no loading work on this site. What you're seeing here is pure arbitrage system on this site, and you can see this is just 12 in the afternoon of today, and you can see what we have already generated with this system I work with. Now this system is a very safe system that when you work with it, you're not going to face any issues while working with it. Everything is going to work perfectly fine. But mind you, if you're working with this system, you will need to have more articles on your site. Any account that have articles below 200 articles, you're not really going to make enough results while working with this strategy. You need a website that has articles above 200. Okay, so if you're also interested in this system I work with, you can check out the link in the description box to reach out to me. And if you have a good site with good organic traffic and you want also partnership for this 2026 with this arbitrage system, you can bring that site to my DM. You can click the link on the description box and reach out to me. Okay, so we're going to partnership together and work on your site, and we'll share revenue. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll keep you guys updated on the perfect system that is working on this industry. Stay safe, everybody.